Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Neri Mai, section E002. So I would like to present my product. I will only take 2 minutes of your time. Nature Bounty is vitamin nourishment. There are many formulas with chewable tablet food flavor. I will give examples I eat in the form of hair, skin, and nail. That contain biotin, nutrients, skin, and hair. The components are black carrot juice, cannabis wax, citric acid, strawberry cream flavor, vitamin C, vitamin E, and biotin. Benefit: help to maintain healthy hair and normal skin. Help to maintain health nails. Help to body to burn carbohydrate. Caution: do not take more than 2 tablets per day, and pregnant women do not eat and do not keep close to the hand of children, and keep in place with high temperature. Finally, everyone who think that their health do not strong lacking easily, or nail lacking nutrient easily, or wanting healthy skin, try eating nature browsing with skin hair nutrient. Thank you for listening.